Hey, Super Cobra Jet Jim here. Have a really cool car. It's a 1965 factory GT, factory A code, factory 4-speed car. Original California car. Just walk through and give a little bit more detail. This is a 3-owner California car. I purchased it originally Northern California from the original owner, the nephew, and then I had sold it some time back and then I bought it back again. So it's kind of a neat little story. It's always been a California car. It's always really been a Northern California car. This is just a cruiser, runs, drives very well, less than probably 300 miles on the original engine rebuilt, probably about 300 horsepower. It's been hopped up a little bit. Everything's been gone through in this car, all full mechanical restoration, all numbers match. Glass is all good, glass is all Fomoco stuff. With the exception of the windshield, has a little nick up there. It's basically brand new. There's a couple dents on the car, nothing really crazy. There's a little rust spot right here. All new exhaust. Not sure if you can see it. Doors are all really clean. One little patch on the floorboard, I think it's right here. Other than that, it's pretty exceptional for a 50-plus-year-old car. And carpet, front seats have been recovered. Original dash has a crack in it. But like I said, this is really just like a local cruiser car. Runs, drives, stops well. All new brake system, absolutely all new. New brake lines, new wheel bearings, new rotors, new disc, new reservoir. Let me show you the engine. We'll crank it up. Again, it's roughly 300 horsepower, plus or minus. I have all the paperwork for all the mechanicals. A lot of money has been dumped in this car. California cars are very difficult to find. Black plate cars, very difficult to find. Headliner's missing, but I have the supports that go across the top four for the headliner itself. Other than that, you can get in this car. It's turnkey. You can get in this car and drive it anywhere. Currently it just has roller tires on it, but other than that, this thing's ready to go. Just wanted to point out some things in the engine compartment. Again, it's a fully rebuilt original engine, 289. Brand new power brake booster, reservoir, brake lines, new wires, new Pertronics electronic ignition, new alternator, new 4-core radiator, new battery, new cables, new wiring harness, new front shocks, air cleaner's new, has a brand new Holley carburetor, all new fuel pump. Everything was redone and rebuilt on this car. This is really a neat car. It's pretty exceptional. Has a little ding right here. I think this fender's been replaced. This fender over here is original. And other than that, all original body panels, with the exception, like I said, this fender over here. It's all real straight, real clean. Very difficult to find cars like this these days. They're getting harder and harder and more expensive. This car's a steal at what I'm asking. You couldn't buy and build this car for this amount of money, for my asking price. So there you have it. Have any questions, you can email me and make me an offer. Serious offer, cash offer. Thanks for looking. Super Cobra Jet Jim here. This is the truck area. It's really clean. No real major issues. Original quarters. Sorry for the glare, but nothing I can do about the sun. There's been a little patch right there. New clean rails. There's a little ding somewhere. I think it's over here. There's a little ding right there. Nothing major. It'll all be straightened out. What I would probably do is clear coat this car, throw some torque thrusts on it, drop it to the ground. You have yourself a nice, reliable cruiser. Check out how this thing closes. Look at how tight this thing is. All the windows and everything roll up and down. You see the underside of this. There's the door here. Real clean. No issues. There's a little dent right there. Another little dent right there. Look at this. Look at how solid that is. Doors don't sag. Real tight car. A bit of persuasion here. Here you have it.